Hey everyone, just gonna do a kind of unboxing of this tri-fold bed cover for a 23 Toyota Tacoma. Got it on Amazon. Um, so we're gonna unbox it, see if it fits, and go from there. Here we go. Well, it seems like it's nicely packed. Some kind of weather stripping, other fixtures. Seems like it's nicely packed. Alright, so I've kind of positioned everything to install. They do give you these little brackets right here that slide into your existing rail of your Tacoma. So that was pretty easy to install. You just slide them in, and there's a little hex nut that you tighten down once you can align, these brackets right here. So I mean, my next step is to install this weather stripping along this bulkhead here. And I was a little worried about my bike rack here. I was thinking I was going to have to take that out, but it's going to fit it right over it, so it's going to work out good. Alright, bulkhead weather stripping is installed, and it's just a kind of like weather stripping you'd use on the door, but a lot thicker. Alright, so I've gotten it, the first brackets installed. As you can see, that side, and I can show you more of a close-up of what the bracket inside looks like. I'll show you this one. Sorry. So there it is, fully extended. I have yet to work on the brackets here, but seems to fit okay. I don't think it's just perfect, but it's going to work for what I need it for, which is to kind of protect my luggage when I go on vacation. So as you can see, it flips 3 ways, and if you want, you can leave it like that and buckle them down here. Alright, so here it is, final install. It fits pretty good. I mean, works for what I'm going to use it for. This is the brand. I'll leave a link at the bottom if this is something you want to purchase. Anyways, hopefully this helps you. Thank you. Have a great day.